Hello. Competitive Tracker is one of the most powerful tools you can find in the industry when it comes to email intelligence. Competitive Tracker is going to provide you deep insights to help you gain an advantage over your competitors in the email space. The way we do that is with a deep data set of information that we've been collecting for over 15 years. This includes over 100 plus industries that we've split all of the mail out into. This allows you to focus on the top performing brands and companies in the industries that matter to you. We have over 250,000 brands that we've curated. This allows us to review sending behavior for all of your top competitors. And finally, we take over 1 million sending domains and we analyze that data for commercial and transactional messaging. Some of the key features that we'll be reviewing today are our brand and company tracker. This is where you're going to be able to analyze top performing domains for inbox and engagement rates. Our brand compare will allow you to benchmark your audience activity, and it will easily help you find where you can beat your competitors to the email space. Journey mapping. This allows you to gain insights into 5 different consumer journeys to see how competitors structure their campaigns and how they message to their customers. And finally, our advanced search will allow you to quickly filter through literally billions of emails to find actionable insights. Now, when we look at Competitive Tracker, when we look at Competitive Tracker, this is where we're going to be able to review sending domain, brand tracker, company tracker, and other key features. We're starting here on this page where we're looking at a sending domain, email.gap.com. This email.gap.com domain allows us to see the performance day over day, month over month, or year over year even, where we can review that information. You can put your mouse on any one day and see how well the emails are getting to the inbox. You can also find out key metrics over on the right-hand side where you're going to be able to know the overall inbox rates, list size, read rates, and other key information. Down below, this is where we're going to be able to look at our emails from that brand. In this case, we're looking at different emails. We can review those by clicking into those and we get to the different metrics. We can even understand the percentage of the list that this was sent to and the performance. We also show this in the list mode where you're able to look at the individual subject lines to see what different types of offers are being collected. You also, on the right-hand side, have access to be able to look at key metrics like percentage of lists. So you're going to be able to see how many messages of the recipients are being sent this particular message, along with all of the key metrics for inbox, read rate, etc. This page provides you deep insights into a single sending domain. But what if you want to look at the entire brand? We make that simple by just creating a tool here called Brand Tracker. With Brand Tracker, you're going to be able to see the top volume domains for the Gap, and in this case, and you also can see the top performing domains based on their read rate and their inbox rates. We even show you competitors of the brand Gap. So this way you can easily navigate to other parts of our tool to review the mailing of Express or iForever 21, etc. Now, if you want to know more about the Gap, maybe you want to step up to the company level. When you go to the company tracker, this is going to show you the overall company performance. This is going to show you the top volume brands versus top volume domains. And you're also going to be able to see those top performing brands. And then you can go and click into any of this information and you would be able to go and receive all of the information you'd want to know about Gap Factory, for example. Brand Compare provides us the ability to do a quick comparison of up to 4 different brands, and this is all done through automation. So when you add the brands that you want to compare, in this case, I'm going to compare Gap, Old Navy, Banana Republic, and Banana Republic Factory. Over on the left-hand side, you'll notice that we have the list sizes indicated here. We can also show you the overlap between those brands, and then we can look at the statistics for that brand. So here we're showing the numbers of campaigns, the read rate information, also the inboxing percentages. This is over the last 30 days in this example. As you scroll down through the page, you're going to be able to see the best and worst performing campaigns. And then you can also look at other information like message engagement, sender metrics, word performance, etc. There are lots of different insights that can be taken from this, and you can create as many of these brand comparisons as you need to cover all of your different competitors. Journey mapping is a unique way to review the actual emails that are received by recipients of certain brands. So here's an example where we're going to look at a purchase. We're going to choose a campaign. We'll select that campaign. We'll look at the region, select a user, and select the journey. And now we're actually able to see the emails that came 4 weeks before and 4 weeks after this particular event. So in this case, we had a purchase. But if we scroll back up, we can actually see the emails that led up to this purchase. And we can also see the emails that came after that purchase. And then you can step through these individually. So you're able to see all the different emails that this user was receiving. The last area we'll look at is our advanced search. In advanced search, this is where you're going to be able to go in and create searches across our entire database. You can come in and look for a particular industry. So you would be able to select a certain industry that you're interested in. But you can also go through and look for certain metrics like engagement or deliverability and focus on that. You can even go in and find the best performing journeys. For example, abandoned cart. We could say, let's go and see what the best engagement for abandoned cart is. So this would allow us to look for anything above 15%. We can then run the search, and this will immediately bring back a series of results. So this is going to show us all the best performing emails when it comes to abandoned cart emails. We can also look at this in a visual mode. This is an overview of Competitive Tracker. Hopefully you've seen the value that we can bring to you. I think that having the ability to look at your competitors and understand what different types of messaging they're doing, the tone they're using, the frequency of their messaging, all of that provides you an incredible amount of insight to help you win into the inbox.